crispy peppered bacon, melted up American cheese, a ooey gooey sunny side up egg on top of a well seasoned up crispy homemade hash brown. This is the ultimate breakfast. This is the ultimate brunch. And guess what? I am about to show you how it's done. So let's get right on into it. Let's get started. So we are gonna begin with 2 russet potatoes. I'm gonna grab my potato peeler and we are gonna get rid of the skin on these bad boys. Once we have our potatoes peeled up, we're gonna grab a knife and slice them into 3s. All right, each individual potato will be sliced into 3s. And in the meanwhile, you also want to have a pot of boiling hot water going in the background. So go ahead and drop them in that pot of boiling hot water, and we are gonna cook them for about 8 minutes. We're not looking to fully cook them. We're just kind of partially cooking them. You know what I'm saying? About halfway. So about 8 minutes. And once that time is up, you want to go ahead and remove them from your water and place them to the side and allow them to cool down to about room temperature. So you're gonna go ahead and grab your grater once your potatoes have cooled down, and you are gonna shred these potatoes, each and every little piece that you have there. Go ahead and shred it up. And once you have it shredded up into this bowl, we are then gonna add in 1 large egg, as well as some cornstarch and the seasonings that I have listed on the screen, and they will be listed down in the description box as well. Once you have those ingredients all in that bowl, go ahead and get your hands in there and give it a nice mix. Now that we have our potatoes all mixed up, you're gonna go ahead and grab a handful and kind of shape it into your hash brown shape like so, and lay it on top a piece of parchment paper. Once you have all your hash browns shaped up, ready to go like so, you wanna go ahead and toss them in the freezer for about 1 hour. We want them to kind of set and hold that shape. So it's very important, at least 1 hour in the freezer. So in the meanwhile, to take our bacon to the next level, we are gonna sprinkle a little bit of black pepper on them. It just gives them that extra little pop. And yes, I am using my air fryer to cook this bacon. It makes life a lot easier, but if you want, you could pan fry your bacon. You can bake your bacon. There's a million and one ways to cook this. Air frying for me is one of the easiest ways to do so. My air fryer has a preset setting for bacon. I'm pretty sure yours does as well. If I'm not mistaken, it's probably about 380 degrees for about 8 minutes or so. Now, our hash browns are fresh up out the freezer and ready to go in that oil. Look how they're looking. Oh, so good, ready to get crispy. My oil is about at 350 degrees. My heat is about to a medium high, and I'm just gonna drop these bad boys in there, and I want to periodically give them a flip here and there. As I see the bottom side browning up, I give it a flip, and then I keep doing so throughout the cooking process until they are beautiful golden brown on each side. In total, this takes about, I would say, 5 minutes. And this is how you should be looking when they are fully cooked. Wow, wow, and wow, they are looking amazing. And this is the end result of the hash brown itself. Nice, crispy, beautiful, well seasoned up. You could dunk this in some ketchup right as it is, but we are gonna take it to the next level and get everything else together and make it even more amazing. So I have my pan to about I say a low, maybe a little bit more than a low, and I'm dropping a little bit of unsalted butter, and I am dropping in my egg very carefully. I want to make a sunny side up egg, so I got to be very gentle not to break the yolk. So I'm taking my time here and dropping that bad boy in there. If you want a well done egg, you can cook it well done. I want it to be runny. I want that dramatic runny egg. You know what I'm saying? So I am topping it off, and I'm keeping a very close eye on it. As I see that middle part close to the yolk itself start to get, you know, that solid white, I'm sprinkling in a little bit of salt and pepper. I mean, you could do that in the beginning as well, but I'm keeping a close eye on it. As I see the yolk itself, the little edges of the yolk start to white up just barely, I know that this is perfect how I like it. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, you can cook your egg well done. You can make scrambled eggs however you like it. You could do it. There's a million and one ways to make egg. So moving on, our egg is done. I have my hash brown. I'm laying down a piece of American cheese, and I'm just gonna toss it in the broiler, which is under the oven, under broil, until that cheese is melted, and we are ready to plate up. I have my hash brown, I have my cheese. I'm topping it off with that wonderful, beautiful peppered bacon. Can't forget that sunny side up egg. We are dropping that down there as well, and sprinkling on a little bit of parsley so I can feel a little fancy. You know what I'm saying? And you are ready to go. You are ready to bust down. Yo, this is next level. There's no exaggeration right here. I am being so truthful. I am being so real. This is fire. So freaking good. Come on now, stop playing with me. And that hash brown, the way we seasoned it up and fried it, oh so crispy. You know what I'm saying? It just gives it that extra oomph and just takes this recipe to a whole nother stratosphere. I cannot wait for you to try this one because it is so good. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give your boy a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think. Deuces.